Every patient has a call button. Press it. They need help. Simple. Except room 214. That one goes off constantly. Every night, but there's no patient inside. Discharged weeks ago. Told my supervisor. He just ignored it. Faulty wiring, he said. But it didn't sound faulty. It sounded deliberate. Short presses, then long ones. Patterns. Last night wouldn't stop, so I went in. Room empty, lights off, button still flashing. I walked over, pressed reset. It stopped. Silence. I exhaled. Finally, the bathroom light flickered on. Obviously, by itself, there was no one there. I froze. Hello? No answer. I stepped forward into the bathroom, door slightly open. I pushed it. Slowly, empty, but the mirror was fogged. Like someone had just taken a shower, and written in it, clear as day, the word wait. I stumbled back. Then the call button went off again. Louder and faster this time. Desperate. I looked at it, flashing red, and I realized it wasn't calling for help. It was trying to keep me there.